Stop using manure. This January soil trick triples your harvest naturally. Your garden soil could be starving, even if it looks healthy. Most gardeners think manure or chemical fertilizers are the only way to feed plants, but there's a smarter, faster, and completely natural method that can turn tired, lifeless soil into a thriving powerhouse. And the best part? You can start using it this January, long before spring planting, to give your crops a head start. This isn't hype. This is a centuries-old soil secret rediscovered and refined for modern gardens. It's simple, safe, and shockingly effective. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create this natural soil booster, how to apply it, and why it can triple your harvest. Without stinking up your backyard or inviting pests like manure often does. Why manure may be holding your garden back. Manure has been a staple for centuries, but it's not perfect. While it adds nutrients, it's also unpredictable. Its nutrient balance varies depending on the animal, diet, and storage. Sometimes it's too strong, burning young seedlings. Other times, it's too weak, failing to feed hungry plants. Manure also introduces weed seeds, pathogens, and a strong odor. And let's face it, hauling buckets of manure in winter is nobody's favorite chore. If your goal is high yield, healthy crops, relying solely on manure is a slow, messy, and sometimes risky approach. There's a better way, a method that nourishes your soil while building a self-sustaining ecosystem, enriching microbes, and boosting fertility naturally. The soil trick that changes everything. The secret lies in a simple, all-natural solution you can make at home, often called fermented plant juice. This isn't a chemical fertilizer or compost tea. It's a concentrated microbial elixir that energizes your soil, feeding both plants and the microscopic life that keeps soil healthy. When applied correctly, it activates dormant microbes, unlocks nutrients already in your soil, and creates an environment where roots thrive. This January, while most gardeners are still waiting for spring, you can feed your soil a kickstart that shows results in just a few weeks. Plants respond faster, leaves grow greener, flowers bloom earlier, and fruits and vegetables develop more robustly. How to make the January soil booster. Here's the exact formula to make your natural soil supercharger. Precision matters, so follow it closely. Start with fresh plant material. Any fast-growing leafy greens, weeds, or even vegetable scraps will do. Chop them finely. Place them in a clean container and cover with sugar water to kickstart fermentation. The sugar ratio is crucial. For every 1 kilogram of plant material, dissolve 50 grams of sugar in 1 liter of water. Stir well to ensure the sugar is fully dissolved, then pour it over the plant matter. Cover loosely with a breathable cloth to allow air while keeping dust out. Leave the mixture at room temperature for 7 to 10 days. Stir it once a day to encourage fermentation. You'll notice bubbles and a sour, earthy aroma. That's exactly what you want. Once the fermentation is complete, dilute this concentrated solution before applying it to your soil. Use 1 part of the fermented juice to 500 parts water. That means if you have 1 liter of juice, mix it with 500 liters of water. For smaller gardens, simply scale down proportionally. So, how do you apply it for maximum results? Well, timing is everything. You want to apply the diluted solution directly to the soil, not the leaves, for the best results. Make sure to focus on areas where seeds will be sown, or where your existing crops are growing. In January, soil is usually dormant and, pretty low in microbial activity. This application really helps to revive it, waking up the microbes and unlocking nutrients that are already present. Consistency is key here. Just remember to apply once every 2 weeks through winter and early spring. You'll notice some subtle changes within just a few days. The soil texture gets better, moisture retention increases, and the first signs of microbial life returning are visible as small, healthy soil aggregates forming around the roots. By the time your seedlings hit the soil, it's alive, nutrient-rich, and honestly, totally primed to support explosive growth. Why does this trick work better than fertilizer? Well, traditional fertilizers, they supply nutrients, but they don't really address soil life. Without healthy microbes, plants just struggle to absorb nutrients efficiently. Fermented plant juice feeds both plants and microbes. It enhances nitrogen fixation, phosphorus availability, and stimulates beneficial fungi that improve root penetration. This isn't just theory. Gardens using this method consistently report faster germination, stronger seedlings, and increased harvest yields, all without chemical additives or bulky manure piles. It's like flipping a switch in your soil, turning it from dormant dirt into a living, breathing system. Beyond growth, one of the most overlooked benefits is long-term soil improvement. Fertilizers and manure may boost growth temporarily, but repeated use can actually degrade soil structure and reduce microbial diversity. So, focusing on soil health and sustainability really pays off in the long run. The fermented plant juice method, builds soil organic matter naturally. This improves aeration, water retention, and even boosts resilience against pests and diseases. Healthy soil means healthy plants, season after season. And by starting this in January, you give your garden an early advantage that pays off in bigger harvests and less dependence on external inputs. It's sustainable, cost-effective, and completely organic. Here are some extra tips for success. Not all plant materials are equal, It's best to avoid diseased or heavily pesticide-treated plants. Fast-growing leafy greens and garden scraps are ideal choices. Use clean water and containers to avoid contamination. Be sure to stir daily to ensure even fermentation. The soil should be moist but not waterlogged when applying the diluted juice. Overwatering can actually wash microbes away, so it's important to maintain moderate moisture. With repeated applications, you'll notice a rich, earthy smell. That's a sign your soil is becoming vibrant and alive. A January routine that triples your harvest. By following this approach, you're essentially creating a pre-season growth boost for your garden. January applications awaken dormant microbes, prepare soil structure, and prime nutrient availability. By spring, your garden will be ready to explode with growth, producing higher yields, stronger plants, and healthier fruits and vegetables. This method doesn't just replace manure, it outperforms it in convenience, safety, and results. And because it's fully natural, you don't have to worry about heavy metals, pathogens, or offensive odors. It's clean, efficient, and incredibly rewarding. Take action today. Start now. Collect your plant scraps, make your fermentation batch, and set up a weekly soil boosting schedule. January is the perfect month to prepare your soil while others are waiting for spring. You'll be ahead of the game, enjoying faster germination, stronger plants, and a harvest that truly multiplies. Your garden is a living system, and this natural booster feeds it in a way nothing else can. Stop relying on manure and chemicals that work against nature. Work with your soil, awaken its microbes, and let your garden reach its full potential. If you want more groundbreaking gardening secrets, soil tricks, and natural growth hacks, make sure to subscribe to Soilsage Chronicles and share this with your gardening friends. Your soil and your harvest will thank you.